chocolate rolls. So I melted white chocolate. It's a compound chocolate. So I'm going to add powder color in it. I'm going in for pink color. Yeah. So that's a lot of pink color because I wanted it very dark. Right. Right. This is the 3D chocolate mold. I've scattered a little bit of pink on it so that it will be much more darker color. So I'm just going to pour it in this. So I hope you'll be able to see this. Right. You can see the bright color in this. Okay. Now I'll just tap a little bit. It's tapped, and you can see the thing done. Now we'll just put it in the fridge for mold. Once it is molded, I'll show you how it is. This can be done as a lollipop also by putting a stick in between. So we have got almost 6 halves for half kg, sorry, 100 grams of chocolate. Okay, I'm just tapping it nicely. I'm going to put it in the fridge. This is going to go in the fridge and will be back. Now the chocolates are ready. I'm just going to remove them. Okay. Or shall I say demold them? I'm going to demold the chocolates. You can see. Okay. These chocolates are being demolded. So I'm going to use a little bit of gold dust to color them. And this is one of my favorite silver dust from Bakersfield. This also I would like to use a little bit. You can see I used it a little bit so that you will be able to see this. Yeah. I'm going to color using this. Right. So some more to make it a little more clear for you. And this has got color, so I use this. This is what I used for color. This is the dust color. Right. You can see the shine and everything perfectly. Okay. Thus we can stick them together with the chocolate so it becomes 3D chocolates. Right. So this becomes a 3D chocolate, and you can dust it with silver dust or any dust, any color. Right. Let's see. That's the 3D chocolate. We are done. And these are the halves of it. This is a dust gold actually, golden dust. This is the color which I have used. And this is one with silver dust from Bakersfield. Right.